Thank you for watching and worshiping with us today. May this song bring peace, healing, and joy into your heart.
Baba, I'm coming to your feet today. Baba, I'm casting every worry away. The world is so loud and I am so small, but I hear your soft voice through it all. I surrender, Ngiyazinikela. I surrender all to you, Baba. Take my heart, take my life. I surrender, Ngiyazinikela. There is peace here that I've never known. In the secret of your love,